Dr. RMVGK Rao, former scientist retired from National Aerospace Labs, CSAL. And I had a great opportunity of being invited by the GNA University to come and interact with them and give my experience in the form of guest lectures. And I'm happy to say that this is my first maiden visit to the great state of Punjab, and that too via Amritsar to Phagwara, where the GNA University is located. But after coming here, I was excited to say that there is a GNA Gears and Axle, which is really started this university. That too, the beginning itself as a deemed university, it's a great news for me. And my first impression about this university is something very, very great. That it's a wonderful ambience, the architecture, and the discipline, and the total ambience, the students, the facilities, and everything looks grand. And the hospitality is something super, and my stay is very comfortable here. And I have given lectures yesterday, today to two branches of students. One is aerospace engineering and mechanical engineering. And in two steps, part A, part B, like that I have divided and addressed them yesterday and today. And it was very, and the attendance is really good, something like 80 to 100 students. And all of them have heard me in rapt attention. And I'm very happy and comfortable with them, because students are students. But it's a unique experience for me after a long time. Though I have addressed many people, many students in many colleges. But this is coming far away from Bangalore, traveling 3 hours, 2,200 kilometers, whatever you call it. It is a wonderful, smooth sailing all the way. And today, at the end of the day, after 2 hours of very exciting and continuous lectures and discussions with students, and I found them very, very friendly, very ambitious to know about things, this new material, new applications for aerospace engineering sector. And the questions they asked, some of these very interesting, and maybe one or two I had to go back and answer them also. So on the whole, I'll say that the overall the constitution of your university is something GNA. I think there is a wonderful DNA here. We want to also take it. And all people, right from our vice chancellor, right to all your staff members and other colleagues, they have been very nice to me and taking care of me very well. And at the end of the day, I also give a kind of suggestion that it would be nice if we can start a small activity, a humble way, and set up a small material, processing and testing laboratory with good equipment.